So there's still a couple of things that are different about this versus our mockup. One is that the icon is different, and it also doesn't have the same spacing on the right-hand side as the input does on the left. So it will upset some people's sense of visual balance. Also, the color is a little different here. Now, ideally, we would see something like a slightly grayed out version of the text that shows this I am interested in. This indicates some placeholder text, but a select box doesn't have the placeholder option. So we can choose to either stick with this color of text regardless of what's chosen, or stick with the darker text regardless of which is chosen. I think for visual continuity, I think I'd like to match this color. Though what that would mean is that once someone had selected an option, it would still have that grayed out appearance. For now, I'm okay with that. So let's change the font color. Let's check out our palette real quick. And I think we want the medium gray, perhaps the medium dark gray. Let's try medium gray. Save this and refresh. Okay. Too light. Save this and refresh. Okay, that's still a little bit too light. Let's see what happens if we use medium darker gray. Now we're back to the color of the text. Okay, so because the browser is graying this out on its own, it's selecting a gray color that isn't quite the same as one of the grays in our color palette. Now, even though I had decided that maybe the visual consistency would be good, I'm going to change my mind at this point, and I'll just stick to using the default gray color for the text, because I'm not sure if it's worth it to add another color to our color palette just for this.